Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lalu, my name is Tatiana. I am student of Jakarta State University, Magister of Management Program. I will presenting my thesis entitled Analyze of Determinant of People Tendencies in Debt, Mediated by Materialism and Moderate by Financial Literacy. Under the supervision of my first thesis advisor, Mrs. Dr. Eti Gurendrawati MSc and Professor Dr. Umi Widyastuti SEMA. Research background. The development of fintech and financial digitalization has facilitated easier access to credit, particularly for online lending, peer-to-peer lending. Simply procedure, aggressive marketing, and instant approval increase the risk of excessive debt over indebtedness. Low financial literacy leads individuals to use financial products without a proper understanding of the associated risk. OJK data show that online lending disbursement in August 2023 reached 20.53 trillion rupiah. There were 3,903 complaints related to illegal online lending recorded between January and May 2023. The teaching profession has become the most affected group by illegal online lending, approximately 42%, indicating that problem is not merely economic, but also behavior and psychological in nature. Research gap and research focus. Purpose studies indicate that materialism influences individuals' propensity to incur debt. Attitude, emotion, impulsivity, and self-esteem affect debt-related behavior. However, there are still limited studies that examine materialism as a mediating variable, and financial literacy is rarely tested as a moderating variable. This study addresses this gap by examining the effect of attitude toward debt on consumer debt, positioning materialism as mediating variable, and testing financial literacy as a moderating variable. Theoretical framework of debt behavior. The first theoretical framework is life cycle hypothesis, or LCH. Individuals are assumed to behave rationally and smooth their consumption over their lifetime. Debt tends to arise when income is relatively low in the early stage of life, Modigliani and Bloomberg. And the second is behavioral life cycle hypothesis. Financial behavior is influenced by physiological factors. Key elements include self-control, mental accounting, and framing effect by Severin and Taylor. And then the third is internal individual conflict. There is a two people, planner, long-term orientation, and strong financial literacy. And the second is dual, short-term gratification and a tendency toward materialism. And then the fourth is risky indebtedness behavior. Risky debt arises as a result of excessive consumption, low income, and weak saving habits. Debt is defined as the use of credit beyond an individual's ability to repay. Psychological variable and research. Attitude toward debt. Positive beliefs about debt increased individuals' propensity to borrow. And then the second is impulsivity, rapid decision making without careful consideration, driven by emotion, example, stress and anxiety, leading to impulsive purchasing behavior, and then contribute to higher levels of materialism. And then the third is self-esteem. Low self-esteem encourage materialistic orientation, the consumption of luxury goods is used as a means to enhance self-image. And then economic vulnerability, the inability to meet basic needs and cope with financial risk. Economically vulnerability individuals tend to be more materialistic. And then next is consumer debt arises from the purchase of goods and services through credit, influenced by attitude toward debt and materialism. And then materialism is the possession of goods as a source of happiness and social status, encourage excessive consumption, and increase levels of debt. And then financial literacy. Financial literacy is knowledge, skills, and confidence in making financial decisions, play a role in controlling debt-related behavior, position it as a moderating variable. Theoretical framework based on the theory and research problems practically discussed, the study developed an empirical model that explains the relationship among the research variables. The theoretical framework illustrates how psychological and financial factors uh, influence consumer debt behavior among teachers. In this model, consumer debt is positioned as the dependent variable. Attitude toward debt directly influence consumer debt, reflecting how permissive or accepting view toward borrowing increase the likelihood on engaging in debt-related behavior. Materialism functions as a mediating variable. Several individual characteristics, impulsive, self-esteem, and economic vulnerability are purposed to influence materialism. Higher impulsivity is expected, while self-esteem and economic vulnerability are examined to determine their roles in shaping materialistic. Materialism, in turn, has a direct orientation are more likely to accumulate debt. Furthermore, materialism mediates the relationship between attitude toward debt and consumer debt. This suggests that attitude toward debt not only influence debt behavior directly, but also indirectly through increased materialistic value. And then financial literacy is introduced as a moderating variable that affect the relationship between attitude toward debt and consumer debt. Higher financial literacy may strengthen or weaken the impact of debt attitude on consumer debt behavior, depending on individuals' ability to understand and manage financial decisions. Overall, this theoretical framework integrates psychological traits, financial attitude, and financial literacy to explain consumer debt behavior, emphasizing both direct and indirect relationship as well as moderating effect within the purpose research model. Research design and subject. Quantitative research with a cross-sectional approach. Time and place of the study. Time December 2024. Location Indonesia. Research population. Teacher across Indonesia. Number of teachers. 3,396,794 individual. Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technological academic year 2024 until 2025. Sampling technique, confidence sampling. Respondent recruitment. Respondents were obtained through the MGMT networking. Sample size determinant using the Frokin formula. And confidence levels, 95% confidence level. Margin of error, 5%. Data collection method, online survey using Google Form. Research variable and instrument. Independent variables, there are attitude toward debt, impulsivity, self-esteem, economic vulnerability. Mediating variable, materialism. Moderating variable, financial literacy. Dependent variable, consumer debt. Research instrument, structured questionnaire, total of 33 items. Scale, 5-point Likert scale, strongly disagree, and strongly agree. And then scale 4-point rating scales, specifically for consumer debt. Respondent demography profile, age, gender, education level, marital status, and income. Data analysis technique, descriptive statistical analysis, describe the characteristic of respondent and research variable. PLS SEM analysis with Smart PLS, outer model evaluation. There are convergent validity, discriminant validity, reliability with Hornberg alpha and composite reliability, and then inner model evaluation, R square, goodness of fit, F square, effect size, PET coefficient, hypothesis testing with bootstrapping, Dirichlet effect, and mediation or moderation. Regression model, multiple linear regression, and mediation regression. And then data description. The study used primary data collected through questionnaire. Number of respondents, 4,043 individual. Respondent with loans in the last 6 months, 416 individuals. Main characteristic of respondent, dominant age group, 31 until 14 years. Gender, female. Education, bachelor degree. Marital status, married. Dominant income, 2 until 5 million. Online loan experience. Ever offered a loan, 1 until 3 times. Most common type, multi-purpose loan. Legal application, 91%. Most frequently used application, ada kami. Analysis result and discussion. Method analysis, partial least square or SEM. Software, SmartPLS. Main result, attitude toward debt has a significant positive effect on consumer debt. Impulsivity has a significant positive effect on materialism. Self-esteem has no significant effect on materialism. Economic vulnerability has a significant negative effect on materialism. Materialism has a significant positive effect on consumer debt. Mediating and moderating roles. Materialism partially mediates the effect of attitude toward debt on consumer debt. Financial literacy significantly moderate the relationship between attitude toward debt and consumer debt. Conclusion. The study demonstrates that a permissive attitude toward debt has a positive and significant effect on future consumer debt behavior. Materialism plays an important role as a psychological factor, both directly influencing consumer debt and mediating the effect of attitude toward debt on consumer debt. Impulsivity is proven to increase materialistic tendency, while self-esteem and economic vulnerability do not have a significant effect on materialism. Financial literacy functions as a moderating variable that can strengthen or weaken the influence of attitude toward debt on consumer debt. Overall, the finding confirm that teachers' debt behavior is more strongly influenced by psychological factor and financial behavior, indicating that addressing online loan issue, loan issue requires educational and preventive approach rather than relying solely on economic policies or regulatory measures. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.